guys and good morning. Welcome back to my channel. We are in Hotel Cheyenne right now and I'm going to show you everything about the hotel. I'm going to start with the room. So here we go. So this room is Woody's roundup room. As you can see, there are two beds here, two big ones. They have really cute Woody lights. I'm gonna get a little bit closer. That is so cool. And then, oh sorry, I'm backing, my backpack is getting stuck to the wall. Then on this side we have a dresser and we have the TV. Here are some outlets to put your your electronics stuff in. A nice Woody lamp on a real cowboy shoe. And there's a little bench. A mirror with a horse's shoe around it. And I really like the curtains because of course that's the print of Woody. Now turn to the other side and there on top you have the wallpaper which has Jessie, Woody and Bullseye on there. And that is so cute. And here's a big picture of all of them. If you are traveling with multiple families or parents and older children, you can have joint rooms. And then here's a door on the other side, and there's also a door on the other side of the room. And then you can walk in and out. Obviously we don't know those people, so we're not going to do that. Then here we have, well, a little, I don't know, table or something. And it has place to store your luggage, so that's nice. Here's even more storage. You can also hang up your clothes here. You have lots of hangers there. And there's a safe that you can use. And the usage of the safe is for free. Then the bathroom. A nice big sink. Mirror. A hairdryer. A toilet. And on this side is the shower. They have soap in these multiple uses big flasks. And the shower curtain is also themed. It's the front of the hotel, Hotel Cheyenne. Big entrance, and right in the middle there is the reception. Then here the blue building is the store, the gift shop. And then the coffee house is a Starbucks. On the left side of the building you have the check-in. And in the middle right now there's a meet and greet with Woody and Jessie. Here's the entrance to the Red Carter Saloon. Sorry guys. And on the right there's the concierge desk where you can book for tours and other questions. We're now inside the Starbucks. So we ordered our breakfast from the Starbucks. I have a nice hot chocolate with whipped cream. This is a cappuccino. Then in here we have a cinnamon bun, which looks delicious. And let's see if I can open it. Look at that. An Oreo cake. Woo! That's breakfast. Oh, by the way, all this together was €17.90. Of course it's Starbucks. Starbucks is expensive, so you know that. So let's start with the Oreo cake. I think it's going to be really heavy. Oh wait, this cheesecake.
Oh well.
There was a sign saying that it was an Oreo cheesecake and we're like, it just looked like chocolate cake. I don't think so, but it is a cheesecake. It's really good. Ooh, that's a nice surprise. That's good. Yeah, I'm just going to take another bite. There's little pieces of Oreo in it. obviously chocolate cake, and then the cream from a cheesecake. Good stuff. There are so many trolleys going by, suitcases, so I'm trying to film this in between, so I have to hurry up. We're going for the cinnamon roll now. It's big. It is nice. It's very cinnamony and very sugary, but it's a bit dry. I would have liked this more if it was more moist. But still, it's pretty good. This is our view from the Starbucks. We can see the Wyatt Earp building, and behind that there's the air balloon going up from Disney Village. I believe it's called Fantasy of Flight. I know it's called Fantasy of Flight in Florida. I'm not sure what they call it here, but you have to pay extra for that. I think it's about 15 euros, something like that. And you go up, and with nice weather like this, you have a nice overview of the Disneyland resort and parks. They have the horses out. For an extra fee you can ride a horse down the road. I believe it's just for kids. Although this horse is pretty big. I could go on it. Hello. Hello, horsey. Oh, look at his fancy feet. He's dipping his toe like, look at me. So it's 6 euros to ride these guys, and you have to be over 3 years old and no higher than 155. So I'm only 13 centimeters too big. I could cry right now. I want to do this too. And we just figured out that the horse riding is a family activity, because your kid can go on the horse and one of the parents can well, have the horse on the leash. So that's kind of cool, you can do it together. Unfortunately, the saloon is closed right now. It opens from 4 to 1 AM, so that's a long time. We cannot look inside right now. The entrance is right here or in the front through the main hall. And it's a saloon, so it looks like a saloon from inside as well. Here we have Chuck Wagon Cafe, which is the restaurant of this hotel. It's buffet style. They do breakfast and they do dinners. Here's some cowboy trailers that took a little rest. They even have their potatoes with them. And here's a campfire, and sometimes they lit that at night so you can sit by the fire and well, chill out in your country village. I love how this hotel is set up. It's like a real country village. You have all different buildings. Some extra decoration here, the Fort Apache. And if you walk around here, we stumble onto an Indian village with some teepees. That's what I love about this resort. Look how quiet it is here. There's lots of green. It's well themed. I love it. So to me, this hotel has a very spacious feeling because of the separate buildings, because of the big walkways in between. It is one of the most popular hotels because it's also one of the cheapest. But I think you get great value for money. And if I compare this to the other hotels, which we had a peek in, then I'm thinking that I like this one the best actually. I also just really like the country theme, so. I think that this is going to be the conclusion of our tour of the Cheyenne Hotel. A great hotel, very spacious. Even though there are lots of people here, you still have some room to yourself. Nice big pathways, everything is so well themed. You can meet your Disney character here in the mornings every day from 8:30 till 11. Reception is 24 hours. They have a saloon, they have a restaurant. They don't have a swimming pool. If that is important to you, there's no swimming pool here. And it takes you about 15 minutes to walk from the resort to the parks. But you can also take a free shuttle bus. So, win-win in my opinion. And that brings us to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope it was helpful and useful for your decision making in which hotel you were going to stay in Disneyland Paris. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a terrific day. And I wish you a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye guys!